Welcome back to Health for You. Today we're cutting through the confusion about one of your body's most essential nutrients, protein. Protein isn't just for athletes, it's vital for everyone, helping your body grow, repair, and stay energized. Stick around as we reveal the best protein-rich foods to power up your health. First up, eggs, a nutritional powerhouse. One large egg delivers 6 grams of complete, highly absorbable protein, plus brain-boosting choline and eye-protecting antioxidants. Enjoy them any way you like. Just don't skip the yolk. Chicken breast is a classic lean protein, over 30 grams per serving, low in fat, and incredibly versatile. Grill, bake, or stir-fry it for a filling, muscle-building meal. Choose skinless cuts and healthy cooking methods for the best results. Oats aren't just for fiber, they pack about 13 grams of protein per hearty bowl. Their beta-glucan fiber helps lower cholesterol and keeps you full for hours. Mix in nuts or milk for a complete, energizing breakfast. Black beans offer 15 grams each of protein and fiber per cup, supporting digestion and satiety. Pair with rice or quinoa for a complete protein and a boost of antioxidants. Lean beef delivers over 25 grams of complete protein per serving, plus easily absorbed heme iron and vitamin B12. Opt for lean cuts like sirloin or grass-fed beef for better nutrition. Enjoy in moderation for muscle, energy, and immune support. Cauliflower may be low in protein, but it's a versatile, low-calorie veggie that adds texture, fiber, and antioxidants to your meals. Use it to bulk up dishes and sneak in extra nutrients. Bok choy adds over a gram of protein per cup, plus vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, and folate. Its mild flavor and crunch make it perfect for stir-fries and soups. Don't underestimate the power of nutrient-dense greens. Green peas pack 8-9 grams of protein and plenty of fiber per cup, more than most veggies. They're rich in vitamins and easy to add to any meal. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or canned for a simple nutrition boost. Chickpeas provide 15 grams of protein and 13 grams of fiber per cup, stabilizing blood sugar and appetite. Use them in hummus, salads, or roasted for a crunchy snack. Quinoa is a rare plant-based complete protein, over 8 grams per cup, plus fiber and key minerals. It's gluten-free, easy to cook, and works in salads, bowls, or as a rice substitute. A true superfood for any diet. Greek yogurt is strained for extra protein up to 20 grams per serving, plus probiotics and calcium. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties and add fruit or nuts for a healthy snack. Almonds offer 6 grams of protein per ounce, along with healthy fats, fiber, vitamin E, and magnesium. Enjoy as a snack or topping, but watch portions, they're calorie-dense. Lentils deliver 18 grams of protein and 16 grams of fiber per cup, and cook quickly without soaking. Use them in soups, stews, or as a meat substitute. They're affordable, filling, and nutrient-rich. Avocado isn't just healthy fat. It has 4 grams of protein and 14 grams of fiber per fruit, plus potassium and vitamins. Add to toast, salads, or smoothies for creamy nutrition. Chia seeds are a complete plant protein, 4-5 grams per ounce, plus fiber, omega-3s, and minerals. They absorb liquid to form a filling gel, great for pudding, smoothies, or as an egg replacer. Perfect for plant-based diets. Salmon is loaded with 20-plus grams of complete protein per serving and heart-healthy omega-3s. It's also a rare natural source of vitamin D. Bake, grill, or pan-sear for a delicious, nutritious meal. Tuna is a lean, affordable protein, 20-30 grams per can, plus omega-3s, B vitamins, and selenium. Choose water-packed, light tuna for lower mercury and calories. Tempeh, made from fermented soybeans, offers 20 grams of complete protein per serving, plus probiotics and minerals. Its firm texture is perfect for grilling, stir-fries, or sandwiches. A top pick for plant-based eaters. Broccoli provides nearly 3 grams of protein per cup, plus fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. It's a nutrient-dense veggie that supports immunity and health. Roast, steam, or stir-fry for a protein-rich side. Turkey breast rivals chicken for lean protein. 29 grams per serving, plus B vitamins and selenium. Enjoy roasted or ground for a versatile, muscle-building option. There you have it, 20 top protein-rich foods, from meats and fish to powerful plants, nuts, and seeds. Mix and match these options to meet your protein needs and boost your overall nutrition. Which is your favorite? Share your go-to protein foods in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more health tips from Health for You.